Good morning, drmaas.com video blog answering some questions that I just encountered this week with some rhinoplasty patients. We did 3 this week. There were some very good questions brought up, and one of them is, what is a non-surgical nose job? And really there's been a lot of media attention with it, a lot of internet traffic about non-surgical nose jobs. And actually I have some examples of non-surgical rhinoplasty or nose jobs on my website at maasclinic.com. So if you want to visit it and see that, that would be a good way of getting a sense of it. But basically it's a very limited number of patients who are candidates for non-surgical nose jobs. And they're typically patients who either have a saddle depression of the bridge of their nose, where this goes down slightly in this area, or they have a very weak bridge of the nose, and we can use an injectable filler product to improve the height of the bridge of the nose and to some extent the tip of the nose. So we can get a little bit of tip definition. We can also raise or sort of contour the dorsal height of the nose. And in some cases of post-rhinoplasty patients that have had previous nose job surgeries where there's small irregularities, I can go in with an injectable filler, and there's a number of different choices for this, and create some improvement in the contours that are clearly evident. So I think it's been a little overplayed because not everyone is a candidate for a non-surgical rhinoplasty, and I'll use that in quotes. But there are a number of patients, particularly Asian patients in our practice here in San Francisco, who have a weak bridge or dorsum to the nose, and we can improve the contour and definition there and really see a nice result that's satisfactory. These are typically not permanent results, but they are quite long-lasting. So if you have any questions about non-surgical rhinoplasty, I encourage you again to visit maasclinic.com, call the office, or write us at the Maas Clinic video blog. You can send a video at drmaas.com. And lastly, thanks again for sending those videos, and this is Dr. Maas on Looking Your Best.